At the gym. Gym vocabulary. A dumbbell. A treadmill. An exercise bike. A bench. A rowing machine. An exercise ball. A jump rope. A cross trainer. Weights. A personal trainer. A kettlebell. A barbell. Common actions. Lift weights. Stretch. Jump or skip. Sweat. Do push-ups. Rest. Do pull-ups. Do sit-ups. Cycle. Run. Dialogue.
Hi, Jane. I have a question for you. Do you go to the gym in your free time?
Yes, I love going to the gym. I go 5 times a week.
I'm thinking about joining a gym, but I don't know much about it. Can you tell me about yours?
Sure. What would you like to know?
What kind of equipment does your gym have?
Well, there are lots of treadmills for running, exercise bikes for cycling, and weights for lifting.
Dialogue 2.
Hey, Amy, can you tell me about your workout routine?
Sure, like I go to the gym on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays.
What do you do on Mondays?
On Mondays, I spend about 45 minutes on the rowing machine.
And Wednesdays?
On Wednesdays, I usually lift weights like dumbbells.
And what about Fridays?
On Fridays, I spend about 45 minutes on the cross trainer.
Do you do any exercise on the weekends?
Not really. I like to rest on the weekends.